Hey team, got some good news regarding Greenlight. If you're either a Tradeify customer, Build Exact, or Fergus like myself, this app is going to be an extension of your invoicing system. So I'm just going to show you quickly how it would work from Fergus. Let's just make a new customer. Yep. Okay. So let's say you're doing a quote, and this is just going to be a Greenlight dummy quote. So in Fergus, you'll create a job, or your Tradeify, or whatever you're using. And let's make this quote for $1. Alright, so you publish it, publish your quote, you email your customer. Okay, now let's just say your customer has accepted your quote, so either they're going to accept it or you accept it. So let's just say it's been accepted. Okay, and you've already told them that you're using Greenlight. So straight away, before you even turn up to the job, the idea is that you'll create an invoice, whatever platform you're using. This is just how Fergus works. So we'll select the quote. Okay, it's ready to go. This is probably the longest, hardest part of it. So payment terms on receipt. Okay, so approve this quote for $1. I can just approve it here because I use Xero, and I'm going to drag it out of Xero. So I'm going to grab this invoice number, just copy and paste it, and then I'm going to go to my Greenlight login. So when you make your Greenlight login, and if you're using Xero, okay, you will be able to go to your profile and integrate Xero. I've already done that, but it only takes a couple of seconds. So I'm already integrated, so create a job, and then I'm just going to load this invoice from Xero. Select KPA Plumbing. You might have multiple businesses in here, so you can either find it in here, or you can just search. Okay, so load this invoice, $1. It's the plus GST total amount, and the due date is today. I want them to pay. Greenlight's dragged out the actual PDF of the invoice you've created, and it's got the invoice number up here. So fees, the 1% fee will be paid generally by you, the seller. You're selling a service, but you might have an agreement that you split the bill with your customer, or it might have been the customer that approached you and wanted the money in Greenlight. So in that case, they can pay. But in this case, it's me that wants to use it, and then I just either save if I want to come back or just send it to the customer. So I'll send this invite. Okay, and then the customer will get an email asking them to sign into their profile. I've got 2 profiles, so I'll go into the customer one. And so this is the customer invoice on their page. It's the exact same page. So they preview project. They can in here they can check the PDF that's been sent. And this is the green light dummy quote for $1. So like, yeah, okay, cool, it's the right thing, and they can accept the job. Okay, and once they've accepted the job, they can then activate it and use these details to pay the invoice. So then the invoice will be paid into Greenlight, and you'll get a notification in your Greenlight login saying that the money is in your account, and it will show in your Greenlight account in your login. And then once that happens, then it's all good to get started on the project. So yeah, this is basically, Greenlight's basically an extension of any invoicing system you have currently, whether that be Fergus or Tradeify, Henry, Xero. We'll be building the MYOB integration as well, and it will be coming in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, hopefully this gets you all paid on time, and you can just carry on and just do the job without having to worry about whether the money's there or not. If you watched this far, really appreciate it. And this will be, what's today, 30th of March 2023. We'll be launching this within the next couple of weeks. Cool, thanks. Yeah.